class of 2025. Beaufort High School seniors are taking a graduation walk through the hallways of Coosa Elementary School. Teachers and students are holding signs and cheering loudly as the seniors parade by in their caps and gowns. For many of the graduates, this moment is very meaningful because they once walked the same halls as elementary students.
It was so sweet and so wholesome. I really loved it. The kids are really sweet and cute. It was just, it's like so inspiring.
I'm usually here pretty often because my mom works here, but it's pretty fun. It's a fun experience just coming back here again and see it all.
It was great. I had a lot of memories come back and it was amazing. I love all my teachers here.
The elementary school band led the seniors through the hallways. Coosa is very proud to be celebrating the class of 2025 and wishes them success in the future.
It's so special to see older kids coming back for our younger kids to see as role models. I coach at the high school, so it's just really, really fun to see that some of these kids here could be those kids someday. So we're really proud of them.
Beaufort High seniors, thanks for coming back and sharing some joy with the kids. Congrats on graduating and good luck in the future.
Beaufort High School's graduation ceremony is scheduled for May 28th at Coosa Elementary School, Rum Lopes, Beaufort County School District.